The immunotherapy trial started because I had been on several treatments and they hadn't worked for me, and the trial was the next option.
So research matters to the NHS because it's the only way of understanding how diseases occur and how we can best treat them and therefore improve the outcomes for all patients within the NHS.
I do research because I want to improve the care we offer to patients as well as their experience.
Research is incredibly important because what it does is it increases the knowledge of the researchers and it improves the outcome of the patients. As you can see, it saved my life.
I think sometimes staff think that research is completely different from clinical care, but actually research really informs our practice, and I think people can get involved in all sorts of different ways.
So here at Imperial College Healthcare we offer opportunities to develop staff skills, so for example skills in asking research questions, skills in statistics, how to set up a study, how to just read the published literature.
It has really increased my skill set. And now I find myself contributing and leading novel research that helps patient care. And the other part that I do now is teach other healthcare professionals on how to do research themselves and educate them on their techniques.
We have to find reasons why we're doing things and how we can improve things.
But I think research also has an impact as it's happening, because I think it has an impact on the way people talk and the kind of conversations that are going on about research. And I think it can inspire people to start asking questions and being more involved.
I never went in to being a physiotherapist to do research. It's taken me by surprise that I'm now doing research as well as being a clinician and a physiotherapist. It's had an enormous impact on my career and totally changed the direction, so that I'm now mixing being a researcher with being a clinician and treating patients.
I have benefited so much in the later part of my life from a great deal of research that had gone before. I'd had 3 procedures in hospital, one of which was laparoscopic, keyhole, and if it hadn't been for the research that had been done into that particular method of doing surgery, I wouldn't have been so quickly and painlessly treated.
One of the things that I enjoy most about doing my PhD is that I'm focusing on translating technologies that are quite advanced into direct patient benefit, and that's quite exciting.
So from my point of view, research and clinical work should really work together hand in hand, and it has been one of the most rewarding things I've ever done.
Imperial is the place if you want to be involved in conducting clinical research, and you will get all the support that you need from the clinicians who are willing to support you here at Imperial.
I think it's everyone's responsibility to improve our patient care.
So research is critically important, not only in understanding how diseases occur and how we can treat diseases as well as possible, but we know that hospitals that undertake research have much better outcomes for all patients, not just those who are taking part in the research studies.